Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka niga app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikil kuit bha, benar kam, daka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingseo ka barik but hila ban layu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban shukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riwe kandai pra. Menteri Rang Baka Jela ukandat kongkal sangma haka arpo trek unaitung arja pulai. Ula ong lada ki pat ba bubun balang jong kerilum jentia ki Kwah ekarel ke sorkar kan ya chakmat tang ban Pynlong Shwa ya ke Jingsorjamin. Haka jing ekran bigila putai kubor Menteri Rang Ba ula ong baka sorkar kan omla ban syurai kat bamon. Henry kan das ngau das ngap ru ya ke sur jong ki babun balang.
These matters can always be done. There is no harm in conducting any kind of stuff. I'm not saying that we're going to do it. Since you're asking me the question, I'm just saying that there is not an issue as such. I mean, if it has to be done also, it's fine. If it's not done also, it's fine. That's not a big deal, is what I'm saying. But what is important is to understand, not big deal means the study is not a big deal. Of course, influx is a big deal. But the study of that, to conduct it or not to conduct it, that can be, we can always discuss it, and if there is a general feeling that it should be conducted, I have no problem in conducting a study. That's not important, I think, but the important aspect is about decision. I have made it, very, very clear to the public that in no way are we going to bulldoze this kind of a decision where we're going to force this kind of a project to come through. If the people and the community at large has concerns about it, we will try and address those concerns before we move on it. And I have made this clear to the Honorable Railway Minister also. In a meeting I had with him, I told him that there are concerns, and without addressing those concerns, it will not be wise for us to simply bulldoze it. He mentioned that there were funds that were given to the state government to implement this part of the project in terms of land acquisition and other things. And I made it amply clear to him that if directions are given and if there is a study that is done, then this railways could be put in other parts of the state. And if Government of India so desires, those funds can be used to develop the railway connectivity in areas which are viable, number one, which will benefit the people, and where the people also will be happy to get those railways. So the minister also was quite happy to hear that, and he said that they are flexible and open to consider shifting of the railway project from the project in Banihar, Shillong, in terms of the funds that have been given to us, to any other part of the state. And that's why we will consult and we will discuss with other regions and see the feasibility of shifting this project to any other part of the state. So I made it, that's why I mentioned to you, I said regions. So it could be Jent Hills, it could be Garo Hills, it could be another part of Khasi Hills, wherever. So we will examine all of that. What I'm saying is that I have communicated to the Honorable Minister, and I have expressed that if Government of Meghalaya has concerns over the fact that funds have been given, that Government of India may consider utilizing those funds in any other region where they feel appropriate, after taking the people of those areas and regions into confidence. So what I said was, that we will be ready to facilitate that particular process, and so that the money that is given by Government of India is not stuck. And maybe if one region doesn't want railways, maybe in another region, wherever we get the public support and we get a kind of a consensus, and there is a concerned desire for it, then we can examine. I'm not saying region A, B, C or D. I'm just giving you the communication that was done between Honorable Minister and myself. I'm not trying to imply anything out here, or neither am I trying to say it has to be this project or that project. I'm just trying to address the concerns. The concern of Government of India is that they have already given money to Government of Meghalaya for land acquisition. and how long will they wait for this project, Shillong project, to move forward. So what I'm saying is that I communicated to Government of India that if we are not able to move forward in this project, we are open to Government of India discussing with state government and other regions and seeing how we could then utilize the funds for another part is what I'm saying. So I'm not saying A, B or C. All I'm saying is that Government of India is saying that money is there, why aren't we moving forward? So we are saying if you're not Shillong, then let's examine somewhere else. That's all.